Welcome to this tutorial where I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how to install and set up your app. Currency exchange rate action automation for workflow. Navigate to App Marketplace, search for the app, click on it. Click on Install and choose an account. Click on Continue. Head over to Allow and Install. Copy the custom menu link. Switch back to the account. Head over to Settings. Search for the custom menu link, click on it, then you head over to Create New. You insert an icon, you give a title, then you paste the custom menu link right over here. Choose a sidebar preference and you choose an account. Then you give a role-based visibility and click on Save. Once you're done creating the custom menu link, switch over to the account and click on the custom menu link itself right over here. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up. You search for the app and click on Connect. You will have the second pop-up interface with all the necessary features such as the documentation and everything you need to get started with this specific app is right in here. We have the Smart Queue video and the configuration walkthrough video that's going to guide you on how to complete your configuration. We have the setup feature here. The app has not been set up. Let's walk you through how to set up your app. We've already created an account online. Click on Start Setup and you'll be asked to enter an API key. Head to the account we've created online and copy the API key right over here. You head back to your account and paste. Then you click on Complete Setup and your app will be successfully configured. We have the support center where you will be able to create a ticket for the team and book a live support call with the team. We have the changelog feature, which is one of the most interesting features that is going to enable you to track all the updates and improvements made on this app. And to receive emails, toggle on the email notification button, insert your email and you click on the subscribe. You've learned how to install and configure your app. Our support team is available for more guides and tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.